What if the chicken you eat every week is hiding a secret that no one has cracked in 70 years? KFC sells 3 million pieces every single day. 150 countries. And not one person on this planet knows the full recipe. Not the CEO, not the chefs, nobody. It started with a 65-year-old broke man named Harland Sanders. Dropout. Failed. Lawyer. Cooking chicken at a gas station in Kentucky. But something happened. People couldn't stop eating it. By 1940, he cracked it. 11 herbs and spices, exact temperature, exact time. Wrote it by hand. Told nobody. When KFC started franchising, every owner signed a legal contract swearing. Total secrecy. No exceptions. Today, that recipe sits in a vault in Louisville, Kentucky. Motion detectors, electronic locks, armed guards. Only a few humans have ever seen it. And here's where it gets scary. KFC splits the spice blend between two separate companies. Company A gets half. Company B gets the other half. Neither knows what the other is mixing. The people making this recipe don't even know what they're making. Journalists tried to crack it. Scientists tried. Even KFC's own nephew showed a reporter a handwritten recipe in 2016. It went viral. KFC denied everything. Mystery survived. So, how does this secret reach your plate every day? Every chicken is hand-breaded, not machine, by hand. Every single piece, every single outlet, worldwide, then pressure-fried, not deep-fried, at exactly 165 degrees. That seal is what gives you that crunch. And after it comes out of the fryer, exactly 30 minutes. You're not just eating chicken. You're eating a 70-year-old secret that survived lawsuits, takeovers, and PhDs who spent years trying to break it. A recipe split in half, so no single human can ever betray it. Colonel Sanders didn't just make chicken. He built a fortress around a flavor. And that fortress? Still standing, still secret, still unsolved. Subscribe to Deep Factez, because the facts always go deeper than you think.